What's up guys, Random Razor here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out the Nomad hex case for the iPhone X. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, check it out, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. So this is probably the first Nomad case I reviewed for the iPhone X that doesn't have some sort of leather on it, which is nice that they do make something a little bit different. Anyways, pretty simple packaging to open up, you just slide it out, and the first and only thing that we get is the hex case, and that is pretty much it. So take a closer look at the hex case here. It's a hybrid style case with a polycarbonate back shell and a TPU style border. Here we have my iPhone X. We'll go button side first, and it simply pops into place. So taking a quick overview of this case, I want to hassle off first. Starting off with the front here, we do have an excellent amount of top protection with the TPU material wrapping around the entire border of the phone. And as you guys can see here, it is compatible with my tempered glass screen protector with edge protection. Moving on to these sides, we have covers for the power button, volume rockers, and you still get a nice tactile feedback when you press on them, as well as a cutout for the vibrate and ringer switch. On the bottom, you have 3 individual cutouts for the lightning port, stereo speakers, and mic. And finally, on the back side, there's a precision cutout for the dual camera and flash, the Nomad logo imprinted on the bottom, and this unique honeycomb textured finish engraved on the back. You can also tell it has a translucent design, so the Apple logo and bit of the iPhone logo does shine through. And I do like how the back plastic here has a matte finish to resist scratches instead of a glossy finish. Overall guys, the first impressions on the Nomad hex case for the iPhone X is fairly positive. I really like how it's still a slim form-fitting case, while Nomad still rates it as 10 feet of drop protection. And this case is a great alternative for those of you who aren't a fan of leather or are vegan and don't want to sport leather as an iPhone case. In terms of any cons or things that I don't like about this case, I do wish the TPU bezels here were raised just a little bit more, since I find that they're a little bit too flush with my tempered glass screen protector. And the only thing I want to mention is that this case is a little bit slippery in the hand, and that's largely due to the matte finish on the backside here. However, I will take a matte finish over a glossy finish any day, just because a matte finish is much more scratch resistant over time. In conclusion guys, if you're looking for a protective, slim, unique looking form-fitting case for your brand new iPhone X, you definitely can't go wrong with the Nomad hex case. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments about this case, ask me in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.